Hello Click Designers! So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can really easily group and ungroup elements on your ClickDesigns editor. So to start, to launch the editor, we need to work with either a template or an already existing design. So let's go to Templates on the navigation bar. And then after clicking on templates, since we are just going to utilize different elements, let's use a blank canvas. So I'm going to click on Start from Scratch, Continue. Here you can actually enter your own canvas size. All right, so here we have the ClickDesigns editor opened up. So let's start with creating or adding our own elements. So first I want to go to image and I want to add an image of a dog. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to search. Okay, so I searched for dog and then I think I like this photo, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to let that upload onto my canvas, and then I'm going to remove the background of this image by clicking on BG Remover over here. There you go. So that looks really nice. I'm just going to make that bigger, and then I'm going to add a slight shadow to this image. This is going to be the main element that we're going to be grouping. There you go. So I'm going to add that in the middle, and then I think behind it I want to add a circle. So I'm going to go to shapes, I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to search for a circle. There you go. So I have a basic circle over here. I'm going to place this probably behind. So first I'm going to add some slight stroke. I'm going to make it black, and then I'm going to color the actual circle probably a red color. So I'm going to use the dropper icon, and then I'm going to make that a lighter red, I would say. So I'm just going to blow that up, and then I'm going to put this behind the dog. So there you go. I think that looks really cute. And then on the side here, I kind of want to add some more elements. So let's go to elements. I'm going to go to the Y2K category over here, and then I'm going to add or play with some of these elements. So I'm going to put this over here, and then I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to add a couple more. So I'm going to put this over here. One more element, probably this. I'm going to put that over here, and then I'm going to add stroke to all of them. So I'm going to add stroke, and then I'm going to make it black to kind of make it match with the circle. There you go. And then for this, I'm going to color this a different shade of green, probably something darker. This as well. I'm going to make this darker, and then I'm going to move everything to the back of the image over here. There you go. So this is what we have so far. So now let's try working with the real magic, which is grouping all of these elements together. So in total we have 5 elements, the 3 Y2K graphics, our dog, and the circle behind it. So to group all of these elements, all you have to do is to highlight this whole thing, make sure that everything is selected, and then over here underneath layer options, you want to go to this button that reads group/ungroup. So once you select that, it is going to effectively group all of your elements and make them into one. So as you can see over here, I'm moving it around, I'm resizing it, and it works really effectively. So I'm going to add a plain background, and then you can see that all of our elements were effectively grouped together. And yes, you can always ungroup this by clicking on it, and you just have to click on group and ungroup again. That is going to ungroup everything. So you can see all the elements are separated from each other. And then by clicking on group and ungroup, that's going to group them all back together. So when you're done, don't forget to click on save to save all of your changes. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this tutorial was helpful.